Hi everyone, so this video is going to be another what I purchased type video, and it's a mix of things from Chemist Warehouse, a couple of things from Zara and one thing from TK Maxx, which is like TJ Maxx but in Australia. I think in Australia and the UK it might be called TK Maxx, but I'll go through that first. It's just a random find that I saw, and it is this little Guerlain Insolence perfume pack thing. So there's like I think it's a 30ml or a 50ml. What does it say on the bottom? A 50ml and a 10ml of that perfume. I thought it was really inexpensive and thought I'd give it a go. I quickly looked up the notes and it sounded like something that would be like violety, maybe a bit makeup-y, a little bit lipsticky. So I was interested to try that and see what I thought. Next I'll go through the stuff I purchased from Chemist Warehouse, and this is a collection over a while, and I've been sort of putting them to the side to show you all my new stuff. So for the exception, with the exception of just one scent, the rest are pretty much celebrity fragrances, so really inexpensive, really affordable, and even this one was very affordable as well. And this is Guess Seductive Red in the 75ml, so I think that's the big bottle, but I'm not sure if there's one bigger than that. But this I think was a newer one, or it was one that they were heavily advertising. I went in there to try it because I was reading up on it, and they just happened to be advertising it all around their store. So that's the first one. And the second one, let's get into this one. So it's another Beyonce Heat perfume. This one is just Beyonce Heat. I didn't have this particular one. I think I had a few of the other versions, like a more tropical one. There was an orchid one as well. So this is just the 50ml, so the mid-sized bottle. Next was, I think it might be a newer scent too. I haven't seen this one before. It's the smallest bottle. It's Christina Aguilera's Moonlight Bloom. I don't know much about this, but I thought I would give it a go and see what I thought. I got two Michael Bublé scents. There is another one that I was interested in getting, but I think it's an older one. I think it's discontinued. But I thought I'd try these. Again, really affordable, and I thought I might do like a review of some of the celebrity scents that I've picked up that might still be available. If that's something that's actually interesting, please let me know in the comments below. Because for the most part, celebrity fragrances are generally fairly affordable fragrances. They're not thought of as being really niche or high quality, but some celebrity fragrances are actually really good. Surprisingly, a lot of the Paris Hilton fragrances that I try, they're actually pretty good, and Britney Spears, a lot of hers are pretty good also. So if you're interested, I'll do like a celebrity perfumes kind of a video. If there's any in particular that you're interested in, leave a comment below and I can include that. If you're wanting to see what's in my collection, I'll link my perfume wardrobe link to Fragrantica down below too. You can always browse that and see what I've got, and pick out whatever you want from that, and I can try to include that in the video too. But the ones that I got from Michael Bublé is Passion in the red box, and By Invitation Peony Noir. Actually quite a cool looking box. Reminds me of Narciso Rodriguez, I think it is, that kind of a looking box. But the next one is a Kim Kardashian scent. There was again another scent that I was trying to see from Kim Kardashian, but this one was there and I thought it sounds interesting. Honey scents are a bit hit and miss for me, so we'll see. This one is called Pure Honey. It's the 100 ml. I couldn't see a smaller bottle and this was really cheap anyway. So I don't know whether or not it would have been much of a difference. Sometimes with the celebrity scents, the bigger bottle costs just as much as the smaller one does, by maybe a few dollars. But that's Kim Kardashian's Pure Honey. It's very, very reflective packaging there. The next one, it's not really a new fragrance. It's been one that I've been trying to track down for a very long time. A lot of people talk about this one and say that it's one of their really nice, like foodie, sweet, gourmand type scents, and it's pretty good for a celebrity scent. The reviews are generally quite good, and it is Fancy by Jessica Simpson. I've been trying to find this for such a long time and I finally stumbled across it and I picked it up because it's something that I've been really wanting to try. And the box is actually really quite pretty. It's iridescent. I don't know if that's coming across on camera. I don't think it is, but it's actually it's a really nice box. So that's that. I do have a few hair things, I guess you could call it. This is a dry shampoo. It's a Sea Salt Waves dry shampoo from OGX, and I haven't tried this before, but I've been wanting to try some different dry shampoos, and this one I thought might be handy for those days where I've got my natural wave. Like at the moment it's kind of fallen out just because I've had my hair in a bun or stretching out the curls and whatnot, but just for more natural days I thought something like this, maybe I'll give it a go, see if it helps hold that curl in a little bit longer. The next one is a Klorane dry shampoo. This one is, there was something about this. Oh, dry shampoo with oat milk, ultra gentle for all hair types. So I liked the normal Klorane shampoo, dry shampoo. So I thought, why not give this one a go as well? The can feels really cold. It's actually quite cold, that's why I'm wearing a jumper. Now the last four things, they're from Zara. So I did not purchase these online after my horrendous experience purchasing things, but I live a long distance away from the closest Zara store. So I called ahead and they put one of these fragrances, which I've been trying to track down since it came out, but it's always sold out and I can't get it shipped online because I don't trust that anymore. They don't ship to your house. You can only do click and collect and it's just a hassle. And yeah, whole thing. So thankfully they put one aside, which was great, and I picked up a few things up when I was in there as well. So the first one is Cashmere Rose in the 100ml. There's a few that I've had on my list. It's hard because sometimes with the Zara scents, they'll do one year and then they'll re-release it so it'll look different, but not all of them are listed online, and some of them are meant to be the same, some of them are slightly different, but these all sounded interesting. One of them that I did have on my list to try was Zara Gardenia. This says Zara Bloom Gardenia, so I don't know if this is meant to be Gardenia in bloom or just Gardenia, but I thought in either case I would give it a go. The bottle, it says Gardenia Zara Bloom 02. So I don't know if it's different to the Gardenia that I was wanting, but I'll try it and find out. This next one I really liked a lot from this collection, and I liked this fragrance, but they didn't have any in stock. It was really hard to find, and I found that has been my experience overall with the Zara scents, is that in the store it's just a bit of a mess. No matter which store I go to, it's just kind of stuff everywhere. They've got it generally where you line up, so it's really difficult to get to the counter for the fragrances. They're just sort of on shelves and people are trying to line up around you. It's just really awkward. I would really like it if they were just to the side or something, so I don't have to get in the way of people. This was something different. It was the scent that I wanted because I didn't have any bottles, any size of this. I thought I would try this. It's like, somebody explained it, it's kind of like a cream or a gel pen fragrance. And this is in the Vetiver Pamplemousse scent. It's technically a 15 ml, but it's got a brush on it, and you pump it up and then you apply it, and you can layer with other fragrances. I thought that's quite a unique concept. I would have preferred to have the general normal spray, but this one was heavily discounted, so I'm guessing they're getting rid of this range. They had a few others from the range, but I already owned like Ebony Woods and was it Bohemian Bluebells or something, and a few of the smaller ones like Amalfi Sunrise or something in this collection, in the small travel sizes. So I thought I'd give it a go because I really did want to have the Vetiver Pamplemousse scent. I don't know if it's going to smell the same as the actual spray though, but we'll find out. And the last one is the one that I was trying to track down. I think it's one that a lot of people are interested in, and I was trying to get my hands on it because I would really like to do a video about certain notes, and you will know by now that I am obsessed with anything cherry. So here it is Cherry Smoothie by Zara. This one I think people say is reminiscent of Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I haven't tried this one on my skin yet, but I wanted to buy it anyway because I know I will probably like it. It's cherry. I like most things cherry. So I really wanted to try this one so I can compare it to things like the Tom Ford Lost Cherry, or the Cherry in the Air, or Cherry in Japan from Escada, and a couple of other cherry noted perfume scent things, just to see how it compares. But I think if it is similar to Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, which I think, yeah, I've still got a small bottle back there. The large bottle is actually away. Yeah, it would be a very affordable option. I don't know if this might be easier to get a hold of overseas, but it was really difficult to track down here, and it seems that it may be that it just sells out when it's available, because by the time I got there they had none left apart from this one that they'd put aside. So I'm really lucky that they did do that, because otherwise it would have been a long drive for nothing. But that is everything for this video. If you've got any questions at all, please leave a comment and let me know. But yeah, if you're interested in anything from this video being in the celebrity scent, or if there's notes in a perfume that you'd like me to do a review of, or just a general information video, do let me know, because I always find it very helpful to get suggestions and requests for videos, because I want to make videos that I enjoy, but also things that you want to watch, so that's helpful for me. If you've got any questions, leave them below. I can answer those where I can. And that is it for now. So I hope you are all having a fantastic morning, afternoon or evening, whatever it may be, or wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.